freedom springs. The whole is finally found. The thoughts and feelings are put in their place. Religions taught this truth of all. Philosophers explained its wisdom bold. Yet wisdom, unlike past knowledge gained, is not in books or lectures retained. It grows through our practice day by day, like athletes honing their skill display. Confucian China, Sparta in her might, the Roman Republic, stern and bright. The Puritans and Victorians behaved with self-control, all sought to discipline the mind and the soul. Today, self-control is just a thing of jest. We mock the disciplined, call them complex-dressed. But happiness in life takes restraint and skill to bend the mind to match the rational will. The mind, though built from nerves that supposedly evolved, does more than follow instincts. Consciousness is complex and involved. It stands apart with genuine power to choose, to sift through thoughts and ignore feelings' cues. A clearinghouse of life's varied experience, where memories linger and feelings stay mysterious. Perceptions clash and suggestions vie, then the mind decides which path to try. We praise perseverance, and rightly so, for it helps the seeds of success to grow. Without resolve, no goal is ever met. No joy, no dream, without focus and sweat. Paranormal claims are a fleeting lie. Mysticism fails when reason's nigh. A yogi, like a maestro's hand, is just master of a skill well practiced. Steer the swirling stream of thoughts and actions in every capricious dream is where true freedom's roots are finally sown, and the happiest lives are planted and grown.